Hi viewers, welcome to the ganisk YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create embed angle in Tekla Structures, just like this. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla Structures with US environment. Now we're going to create embed angle. So go to application components by using the shortcut Control F, or you can click on here. In search bar, type embed angle. You can see you will get this component embed angle inside. Select this component and zoom it, pick the first point and pick the second point to create embed angle like this. Close this window, right click on mouse, interrupt. You can see by default we have the embed angle like this, angle with embedded studs. Okay. Now we're going to edit this embed angle as we required. So right click on mouse, interrupt, double click on this angle. You can see by default we have the angle size L 4x4x3x8. For example, if you want to change this angle profile, so click on here. Let's take L 5x5x3x8. Then click on apply OK. Then click on modify to see the result here. Click on modify. You can see now this angle profile should be L 5x5x3x8 according to this option. Okay. Now coming to the studs. Now you can adjust the spacing between these two studs from this option. For example, you can see by default we have 10-inch exact spacing. For example, if you want to increase 1 feet 4 inch on both sides, this is the group 2, this is the group 1, so we need to change the values on both sides 4 inch. Then click on modify. You can see now the spacing between these two studs should be 1 feet 4 inch according to this option. Now coming to this edge distance, you can maintain this edge distance minimum spacing here. For example, if you want to maintain the minimum spacing 5 inch, click on modify. Select this stud, then click on modify. You can see this minimum spacing should be 5 inch. Click on here. We have two options set here, exact spacing and maximum spacing. If you place the maximum spacing, click on modify. You can see now the spacing between these two studs equal or less than 1 feet 4 inch, not exactly 1 feet 4 inch for this option. And now the spacing at the edge distance from edge of the angle to stud should be 5 inch. You can see there is no minimum option here at this location. When you select the exact, then it will be minimum spacing at here. For example, here also we're going to take here maximum spacing. Then you can see there is no minimum option here. Now this should be exact spacing edge distance. Okay, for example, take here 3 inch. Then click on modify. You can see now this edge distance should be 3 inch from this option, and the maximum spacing is 1 feet 4 inch. That means it should not be more than 1 feet 4 inch, but the stud spacing might be equal or less than 1 feet 4 inch for this maximum spacing option. Okay, now I'm going to check this spacing. So click on modify, apply OK. Go to the top view by using the shortcut Control P. Now zoom it. So now we're going to check this spacing. So click on edit and click on measure and set this vertical distance, and click on here and pick the second point at here and place it. You can see now we have the exact spacing here 3 inch. Click on here and pick the first point and second point, place it. You can see now we have the 1 feet 2 inch. Double click on this angle. You can see we have entered here 1 feet 4 inch. We have selected here maximum spacing. So the spacing between these two studs equal or less than 1 feet 2 inch for this option. If you select here exact spacing, then click on modify on both sides. Take the maximum spacing here, exact spacing, then click on modify. You can see now the spacing between the two studs should be 1 feet 4 inch, but this spacing edge distance might be vary. You can see now we're going to check once again. Click on modify, apply OK. click on space, right click on master data view, click on measure and select this vertical distance. Now the spacing between these two studs should be 1 feet 4 inch, and the edge distance, minimum spacing, you can see now we have 5 inch here. Right click on center. Now click on space, right click on master data view. Use the shortcut Ctrl P for 3D view. Zoom it and double click on this angle. Now coming to here, you can change this stud size, diameter. For example, click on here, let's take 3 by 4 inch stud on group 1 and group 2. Click on modify. You can see now the stud spacing should be 3 by 4 inch from this option. You can change the length of the stud also. Click on here. Now we have the available length of studs here in this list. For example, let's take 5 inch length. Then click on modify. You can see now the stud length should be 5 inch according to this option. Now coming to here, you can adjust the edge distance from angle corner edge to stud spacing here. For example, you can see by default we have the 2 inch. For example, let's take here 2.5 inch on both sides. Then click on modify. You can see now the spacing from edge of the angle to the stud spacing should be 2.5 inch. You can see like this. Now you can change, click on here. Here we have the different stud options here. For example, if you want to place the only one side stud, then select this option, then click on modify. You can see now we have the only one side studs here. If you want to place this side instead of this side, then click on here and select this option, then click on modify. You can see now we have the stud only in this side. For example, if you want to place at the corner, then click on here and select this corner stud, then click on modify. You can see now we have the corner outside stud like this. Based upon your requirement, you can select the studs from here in this list. Okay, if you want to place both sides, then select this option, then click on modify. You will get like this. Then click on modify, apply, OK. Click on space, right click on mouse, delete. Okay, you will get like this. Okay, that's it about how to create embed stud in Tekla Structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla Structure related videos, please go to my channel. youtube.com/ganisk. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla Structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.